Hey everyone, in today's video, I am going to show you a beginner's tutorial on Napkin.ai. So here we are in Napkin.ai, and from here, we're going to click here on Get Napkin for free since we will be getting started by signing up for an account. So it's currently loading, and then from here, you want to sign in with Google for the most convenient and simplest way, but you could also go sign in with email if you'd want to. In my case, I'll proceed with Google. And now you just simply want to click here on continue. So when you're signed in, you will now be greeted with this message. So how are you planning to use Napkin? You can just use whatever you are using this for and so on. So just answer all of the starter questions. And now once you're here, you can now create your first napkin. You can click here on this button, and then from here, you can choose how you would like to add a text. You can do it by pasting the text content, or you could use AI. In this tutorial, we'll just be proceeding with AI. And from here, you can now write a prompt to generate the text content. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to go for the best YouTube content creation practices, maybe something like this one, and click on continue once you're done. And now, as you can see, AI is now writing. You just have to wait now and let the AI do its magic. So as you can see, it is now generating the text. So once it's done right here, you will now be able to edit the text, improve it by using the power of Napkin AI. So its main feature here is creating visuals for your text. For example, here, I want to hover my cursor here, and you can see this lightning icon here on the left side, which is color blue. You want to click on that, and it will now analyze this text and create a visual based on it. In this way, you would be able to understand this better with presentations, or if you are using this to teach other people, then they would be able to understand your text more by using this feature. And you can choose the visuals here. You can choose the styles depending on what you want. You have a lot of styles to choose from right here depending on what you need. So for example, we'll just be choosing this one. We're going to click on it, and we would have more styles in here based on the style that we have chosen. So for example, we're going to go with this one. And not just that, we can also style the elements inside the visuals. So for example, I am going to go for this icon. I can click on that, and then I would have options here. So you can click here to change the color, and you can also go here to change the thickness of the line. And then the shape, you could also edit it right here. And then you could also change this icon. If you're not satisfied with it, you would have some suggestions here. So depending on what you want. And as for the text, you can also format them with your own desired fonts. You can make them bold and some other options like colors. And basically, you can do the same thing with the other text right here. So you can add as many as you'd want. And now, once you are done with your text right here, then the next thing that you're going to do is that you're going to click here on share button on the top right. And this is where you can now share your work. And in here, you can add the email address of the people that you would want to add into this project. And then you can modify the permission on what they can do. They can view, comment, edit, or edit and share. And click here on add. And then they will now be granted with the access. And then you can also go for anyone with a link, or only people with access can open the link if you would want to give them the link right here. And then this is also where you can edit the permissions of anyone that will access via the link right here by copying this link. And this is where you'd be able to see all of the people that has access to your project. So yeah, this is basically it for a tutorial on how you can use Napkin.ai as a beginner from start to finish. Thank you for watching.